Hey everyone, so today we are in the kitchen and I am trying to help you with a little bit of your Christmas shopping. One of the things that I found I really like to give people are small things that can help them in the kitchen and in other things in their life. If you have somebody who does canning or preserving or just in general, just try to put some extra things aside. This is a neat gift for you to give them. So if it's somebody close to you that you love, you can give them a whole entire FoodSaver set. Maybe a couple of cases of mason jars to get them going. A canning pot. Neat things like that. This particular video is about these FoodSaver jar sealers. This is a wide mouth accessory. And this is the regular mouth accessory. So with small things like nuts in the kitchen, the oils in these nuts can go rancid, and just in a regular Ziploc package that it came in, they're not going to last very long, and I just snack on these a little bit or cook and bake with them. So to have them vacuum sealed will really help them last much longer, and of course when you buy things in quantity, or if you're harvesting them, the more you can gather, the more you can save later. So you do need this hose accessory. And all the newer FoodSavers have a hose accessory port. They originally even had these back in the 90s for the canisters that came with them. And this works really great if you're packaging like honey for sale, because then you can get that vacuum seal. So you want to make sure that you don't have any lids, any dirtiness, and no bends or problems in your lid. Now, this is a really good way for reusing these lids because they say that these are one-time use when you heat them in your water bath canner, but you can use them for the food saving portion many times over and over. Now, it's not enough to just put this on here. You actually have to hold it down while it's running. And this is how it goes on. Just like this, mason jar, your metal lid, your FoodSaver sealer, and then your hose. Power this on. Select your accessory button and hold it down. This is going to suck all the air out of this container. Just hold that down until it shuts off automatically on its own. If it's not shutting off, that means it's not sealing, and you need to inspect your jar, inspect your lid, and try again. I always store my mason jars with my band and my lid together. It's an optional thing. You don't have to have that band on there to keep it sealed. The other thing I really like is these plastic lids for things that I use frequently. We like to keep our extra baking supplies like the chocolate chips in here because everyone in the house kind of snacks on them. It definitely saves a trip to the store for little things like snacks. So get yourself some of these items for stocking stuffers for the homesteader, the canner, or just the kitchen fanatic in your life. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.